How do you like it? How do you like it? What should be done with me?
Oh, I think you know.
Okay. Well, let's talk about it.
I don't think we really need to talk about it.
Well, I think we do. Maybe we should talk about Danielle. Maybe we should talk about that file. I think we should discuss both. I think we should discuss what should be done with me. What should be done with me?
I don't know.
I don't think that's true. I think you have some definite ideas what should be done with me, and I'd like to know what they are.
I think maybe you should go to hell.
You think maybe I should go to hell?
Yes.
I assume you didn't like what was in the file.
No, not particularly.
No, not particularly! Is it because you believe Danielle's life is at stake?
Yes.
Are you concerned about that?
Yes.
And are you concerned about me?
Fuck no.